Hello everyone, today we're going to be going through the StudyGrid academic support model powered by TutorsGrid. This focuses on group sessions and post-school tutoring and academic support programs. And today we're going to be starting with the admin page, which as teachers at schools running the programs, you will see and you will become familiar with. So starting with your dashboard, you can basically just see an overview of the platform. Your main functionalities are coming from the sessions page, however. Through this page, you're able to control all the academic support sessions that are happening. And we'll start here with this green button. So through this button, you're able to add a session. You can add the date of the session and you can assign the tutor. Obviously, you'll have a list of tutors on the platform that your school is having at these sessions, and you're able to sort through and choose the one and assign them to a session. You're able to assign the dates, the timing, and the capacity that's allowed into the session. And if you want a weekly reoccurrence or a fortnightly reoccurrence. Through there, you'll see the sessions pop up in your calendar here. Before anyone's booked into these sessions, you can go in and edit them if something changes. And you can go here and click check enrollments to see if any students have enrolled into these sessions, or if you want to enroll a student on their behalf, you can do that and they will get email confirmation that they've been enrolled into a session, and that confirmation will outline all the details. Further, if the session's green, it means someone has enrolled into it, so we can go ahead and have a look at that. We can see that these kids have enrolled in it and the session has been completed, and the tutor has let you know that all three of them have attended. Going back from your sessions tab, you can filter through the session so you can see which tutors are on which days, and then also you can filter by which subjects are being done and on which days. So that helps when you're assigning kids to sessions, and it also helps with your management of organising these post-school tutoring or academic support program sessions. Further, we can go into here to your user management page. You can see all the tutors on the platform, a brief overview of them. You can click into them to see their availabilities and a few more details, as well as students. Here you can go through and see all the students on the platform. You can edit the students, so through here you can edit their grades, which is then visible to tutors. You can verify them, you can deactivate their accounts. You can also add some guardian information, so when a student does book out a session or when you assign them, their guardians will receive an email confirmation just to show them what their student's doing and I guess what they're learning. Moving towards the report page, at the end of the semester or at the end of the term, you can generate reports for the tutors and the students to see what sessions they've attended, what tutors have been completing sessions, etc. And finally here, through the settings tab, you can upgrade the subjects. So it comes preloaded with a list of subjects based off of ATAR, IB, and general year 9 to 10 subjects. However, these can be updated dependent on your school's needs and what subjects you guys are offering. So that's it for the admin page. Moving into our student page now, as you can see, this is the view that the student will see when they log onto the platform. Here they get a date of all the sessions that are being offered, what tutors are on those days, and they can enroll through this page. A good feature as a student is when you're logging on and you want to find a specific session for that post-school help, academic support, you can filter by either a tutor that you may like. So I like James Anderson, I can find all the days that he's on. Or if I want to filter by a specific subject, let's say I need some help in economics, I can find all the days that economics tutoring is on and all the tutors that are doing economics. So as I can see here, James Anderson is offering ATAR economics help. I can click enroll and I can now enroll in this session. I can add some notes of what the test I'm preparing for is, or I guess what help I may need that will help the tutor in preparing for the session. And now I'm enrolled in that session, so I'll receive email confirmation, and so will my parents that I have added onto my profile. If something happens, I can cancel my enrollment through there as well. But moving into your profile, as you can see, you can add guardian information. Here we have a father. You can come in here and you can edit your profile, you can edit your year level and those details there. So that's it for a student profile. Finally, moving on to the tutor profile page. As a tutor or one of these academic support professionals, the people who are running these sessions post, mid, or before school, they will see this I guess calendar here, and it shows them all the sessions that they've been assigned. When they do get assigned in a session, they will receive email confirmation explaining what day the session is and the details of it. Same thing as the admin page. The green means that someone has enrolled into your session, where the blue means that no one has yet enrolled. Clicking into this as a tutor, you can see all the students that have enrolled. You can see any notes that they may have left to help you prepare for the session. As well, you will be able to, before the session, be able to click whether they attended or they were absent. This is then visible to admin in their reporting. In the profile page as a tutor, you're able to come here, you can add a short bio, you can add the subjects that you specialize in and your availability. With the availability, an admin will not be able to assign you to a session if you have not selected that you're available that day. It helps with organization. So that's pretty much it for the tutors page and the StudyGrid model. As always, if there's any questions or you're interested in getting started with the platform, please reach out to our email, admin@tutorsgrid.com, or check out our website, studygrid.com.au. Thanks.